Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Proton VPN subscription on your iPhone. Let's get started. On your iPhone, open the App Store. Once you're on your home screen, tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on subscriptions. This shows you a list of all active subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Find Proton VPN in the list and tap on it. Here you can see your subscription plan, billing period, and renewal date. Tap cancel subscription at the bottom of the screen. You may see a confirmation pop-up. Tap confirm to finalize the cancellation. After cancelling, your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, but it will not renew automatically. You will also get a confirmation email from Apple. If you cancel shortly after subscribing and want to refund, visit Apple's report a problem page or contact Proton VPN support. And that's it. Your Proton VPN subscription is now cancelled on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.